Hello, welcome to the Guacamole Fiesta, where we are going to dive into the world of deliciousness. Our adventure begins with the star of the show, the ripe avocados. Slice them open gently, revealing the vibrant green goodness inside. Scoop out the creamy flesh and place it into a bowl. Mash the avocado using a masher or a fork. Now it's time to add a burst of zesty flavor. Roll a lime on the counter to get the juices flowing. Cut it in half and squeeze the tangy juice over the avocado. Now let's add some texture and color. Add diced tomatoes for a juicy pop and chopped red onions for that delightful crunch. Now it's time for the magic mix. Now gently mix the ingredients together, letting the flavors dance in harmony. A pinch of salt to elevate the flavors. And voila, a barrel of vibrant and delicious guacamole ready to be devoured. Remember, every scoop is a burst of happiness. Try this at home and thank me later through the comment section. Like, share, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out on the treats.